Alright folks, here's the battery pack. 3 12-volt, 12-hour batteries. Yes, rechargeable. Now, these little tabs, I've decided not to solder wires directly to them. I am going to use some connectors I got at my local Princess Auto. I love that store. And solder those connectors on, and they just snap onto these. Now we'll see how that goes. I'll use my battery tester to see if there's any resistance compared to with just testing it off the pole. But hopefully won't be any problem. This is heavy as hell. These are about 9 and a bit pounds a piece, so that's just about 30 pounds worth of battery. Now I've duct taped them together with the, of course I had to use the handyman's secret weapon. Now we'll go out here, and here is the bike, yes, and my cat, hello. Now, of course she's hamming it up. Here is my cycle computer. I mounted it on my handlebars using a bar end I had from an old mountain bike. So I have that adjusted so when I'm sitting, there's no reflection off of this mirror, this mirror finish almost. Now here is the, of course, gear shifter with the fitted handlebar, and the brakes are back on. Here is my throttle. Might have to oil that a bit. And there is the triangle bag. And oh yeah, zoom in on this here. There is my torque arm. Yes, it fits perfectly. Now, that is the hub motor. That's about as far as I've gotten so far. I'm still waiting on the trunk bag I bought offline, off eBay actually. It'll fit on the back rack there. It is waterproof, and that's where the batteries are going to go. So once I've gotten that, I'll be able to decide where I'm going to put the controller. Now, I'm of two minds on this. I'm either going to put it on the seat post right here. There is enough room there to do it. Or I'm going to put it on this down post. But once I get the fender, I might not be able to put it down there. It will fit there just right between the top of the chain guard and the top tube. So hopefully the clamp for the rear fender won't get in the way, or if it does, I'll just put it up here. I'll put my chain or my lock in my triangle bag. Again, I got triangle bag from ebikes.ca. Thanks Justin and all the guys and gals at eBikes for all your help with my multitude of emails regarding wiring combinations and whatnot. Now, that is about it for now. That's 2 updates and as many hours. Look at that. I'm improving. Okay, well, please rate and comment if you have any ideas, or if you think it's good or think I should do something different. Thanks. Later.